Good morning, class 4. Welcome back. I hope all of you are keeping fine. Okay, today in this video we are going to do mental maths. Now we have completed till exercise number 4. We will start from exercise number 5. So, can you please take out your book? We will start with exercise number 5. Now you see on the board I have written question from A to E from exercise number 5. Look at this first question. The first question you can see in your book also. The first question is add rupees 2.75, then rupees 6.15 and 50 paise. So you have to add all this money and get the correct answer. How will you add? First of all, you write on top rupees and paise. Okay, this two column you make. Now after decimal that will come under passive. Okay, so 75 is under passive and here we will put one decimal point and rupees we will write under the rupees column. Similarly here this one also we will 6.15 and 50 is passive, so we will write 50 here. Okay, and then we will add all this and whatever we get, that will be our answer. I am not giving you the answer, that you have to do and tell me. Next one, express 5 kilometer 38 meter in meters. Now see, 38 meter is already in meter, but we have to change, convert 5 kilometer into meters. So we know that in 1 kilometer there are 1000 meters. Okay, so in 5 kilometer, what do we have to do? We have to multiply 5 by 1000. So we will get 5000. 5000 plus this. So what comes like here? 5000 plus 38. So whatever is your answer, you please write over here. Fine. Now next, we move to the next question. Number C. The number C question is, by which number should 15 be multiplied to get 90? Now in this case, what you have to do, you have to divide 90 by 15. So if you know the table of 15, then also you can directly see the answer. And if you do not know, you can divide, then also you need to know the table of 15. Okay, so 15 6 are 90. So you will write answer 6. So you have to multiply 15 by 6 so to get the answer 90. Then the next question is 27 tens minus 35 ones. 27 tens, what does it mean? 27 tens means 270 and minus 35. So you just have to subtract like this, 270 minus 35. So just subtract it and you get the answer and write over here in the blank space. Fine. The next question. Number E. Now in number E you see dash plus this is equal to 210. So in 1090 how much will you add to get 2010? So what you have to do? You have to subtract this 1090 from this number. So I think you will get 1, like 0 minus 0 is 0. Over here what you will get? This will be 11 minus 9 is 2. Then this becomes 9 and 0. So you will have to add 920. Let us check it once more. 0 minus 0 is 0. Then 11 minus 9 is 2. Then over here it becomes what? Again 9. And this becomes 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. And 9 minus 0 is 9. So the answer will be here 920. Okay. Then we move to the next question. 2510 minus 1000. So in 2510, how much will you minus to get 1000? So what you will do for this? You have to again subtract. Okay, what you will subtract? See, you have to subtract number F. So you will subtract 2510 minus dash is equal to 1000. So just 2510 minus this much. Okay. So what comes? 1510. So you will subtract 1510, then you will get 1000. Next question, how many hundreds are there in 7300? Now this is 7300. How many hundreds are there? So there are 7300. So you will write just 73. Okay. There are 73 hundreds in 7300. Then 7 into 9, number H. 7 into 9 into 0 is equal to 1. Now we know according to BODMAS, what I think it has been introduced to you in class 3. So when we have to do this kind of sum, first of all we have to calculate this, like the bracket one. So 9 into 0, any number when we multiply by 0 is 0 only. Okay, then we are going to multiply by this number. So again 7 into 0, ultimately the answer is 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Then the next question, it is simple addition, 2099 plus 11. So just add and get the answer. Okay. Then last question, J. In 2764, the place value of 6 is what? Now you just see, it is 2764. Now 4 is in 1's place, 6 is in 10's place, and 100,000. Now what is the value of place value of 6? So it is, the place value of 6 is 60 you can write, or 6 tens also you can write. So both are correct. Okay. So here we complete exercise number 5. Now we will move to exercise number 6. Alright. Now in exercise number 6, let us see here on the board. Okay. So now we will start exercise number 6. Now in exercise number C, look into your book 6. First question is, write 2040 in figures. 2040. Now see 2000. Now this is in thousands place. 2040. In 100 place nothing is there, so I will write 0. And in 10's place 4, and in 1's place nothing is there. So this is your first answer. Okay, 2040 we write like this. Then next one, which number is 9 more than 3 12s? 3 12s means if you multiply 12 times 3, then what comes? 36. And you have to add 9 more. So 3 into 12 plus 9. 36 plus 9 is equal to how much? It is 45. So the next answer is number B is 45. Okay. Then comes question number C. 2.5 dozen minus 1 score. Now 2.5 dozen means what? 1 dozen is equal to 12 units. Then 2 dozen equals to, just multiply 2 into 12, 24. And what is the half of 1 dozen? If 1 dozen is equal to 1 dozen equals to 12 units, then what will be half of it? Just divide it by 2, you get 6. So it will be half dozen is equal to 6 unit, and 2 dozen equals to 24. So 24 plus 6 is equal to 30. Okay. Now 30, that means you have to subtract 1 score from it. Now 1 score means what? 1 score means 20. So 30 minus 20 is equal to 10. So this will be your answer. Okay. How we have got this 20? 20 is the value or unit for 1 score. 1 score equals to 20, and 2.5 dozen means 30. So 30 minus 20 is 10. Then we move to the next question. The next question is 3 kilometer 45 meter. You have to convert this into meters. We have done this in exercise number 5 also. Okay, this similar type of question. So what you have to do, just you convert 3 kilometer into meters. So it will become 3000 meter because 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. Then how much you have to add? 45 you have to add because 45 is in already meter. So 5403. This is your answer for question number D. What is a quarter of 100 rupees? Quarter means the fourth part. Okay, so what is the fourth part of rupees 100? So what you will, how will you find out? You will divide 100 by 4. Now when you divide 100 by 4, you get how much? Quarter means 1 by 4. So 100 divided by 4, you get 25. So 25 is the fourth part of 100. Okay. Then next question, 19 plus how much is equal to 76? Now this very simple, like no, in 19 how much will you add to get 76? Simple, you just subtract 76 minus 19. Whatever you get from 76 you will subtract 19 and whatever answer comes you will write in the blank space. Cost of 4 story books at rupees 20 each. So one story book's cost is 20 rupees. Then what is the cost of 4 story books? So 20 into 4, whatever comes, that is your answer. So answer will be 80. Okay, but you can also calculate and check your answer. Then we have the next question. 132 into 100. Now when you multiply any number by 10, 100, 1000, so what happens? In that case, you have to only, if you are multiplying by 10, then with that number you will add 1 0. If you are multiplying by 100, then you add 2 0 at the right side. So it will be like this. In question number H, it is 132 multiplied by 100 is equal to 132, and since it is 100, so you will add 2 0. You need not to do the full multiplication. Okay. Then the next question. How much will you add in 19 to get 4 into 6? What is 4 into 6? 4 6 are 24. Now in 19, how much will you add to get 24? So you just subtract 24 minus 19. The answer is 5. So you will add 5 in 19 to get 24. The next one. How many paise are there in rupees 11.05? Okay. So what you will do? You will just remove the decimal. The point you will remove, like the point is in this way. Rupees 11.05. So you have to convert this into paise. So just you need to remove this. Okay, and the answer will be 1005 paise. This is your answer. Okay, so what you will do? You will complete these two exercises and just see if you can do exercise number 7 also. And in exercise number 7 also, it's very simple. First question, you have to find the sum of two numbers are given. Then second question, which number is 6 less than sum of 121 and 19. First you will add 121 and 19 and then you will subtract 6 from it. Okay. The next one, number C. Number C is from the product of 8 and 14. Product means multiplication. Multiply 14 into 8. How much? What comes 14 into 8? 14 8s are how much? So 14 8s are 112 and you have to subtract 15 from it. Okay. So 112 minus 15, whatever answer comes, sorry, it is not 15, it is 17. So after when you subtract 15 from 112, whatever is your answer, I think the answer will be 55. You can check with it. Then the number D, take away 38 from 800. This is simple subtraction. You will subtract 38 from 800 and get the answer. Number E is how many months are there in 11 years? So in 1 month, like how many months are there in 11 years? So in 1 month, how many how many months are there in 11 years, it is said, no? So in 1 year, 12 months, so you will multiply 11 into 12. So whatever comes, that will be your answer. This will be your answer. Okay. This is question number E. Then we come to F. 11 times 5. 11 times 5 means 11 5s are 55 plus 7 times 6. 7 times 6 is 42. 55 plus 42 is, just add and see how much comes. So it will be 97. Okay. How many units are there in 12 dozen, 12 and half dozen? Like in 1 dozen, how many units? 12 dozen. Then 12 dozens will be how much? You will have to multiply 12 into 12. Okay. Then half dozen also you have to add in that. And you will see that your answer will be 138. See how it will be. For 12 and a half dozen they say, no? So for 12 dozen, first you will multiply 12 into 12 plus 6. Why 6? Because half dozen is 6. So you just, when you multiply this, 1, like whatever it comes, you just add 138, your answer will be 103. You can add, like multiply here, 2 2s are 4, 2, 12 and 1. So 144 it is coming, 144 plus 6. Okay, so 144 plus 6. Then I think the answer will be somewhere 150. Alright, you can check this, but the process will be, first you will convert 12 dozen into units, okay, and then you will add half dozen also in that, and you will find out the total unit. Now the next question, number H. Double of a number is 38. There is a number which when you double it, you get 38. So what you will do? You will just divide 38 by 2, you will get that number. The number will be 19. So 38 divided by 2, you get 19. Okay, the answer for H is 19. Then number I, subtract 2 from 30. When you subtract 2 from 30, so 30 minus 2 is 28. And now you have to double the result. So 28, double of 28 is 56. 28 into 2 is 56. Okay. Then number I. Now number I is done. Now last question. Price of 2 hockey stick. One, like no, the price of 2 hockey stick you have to find out. And 1 hockey stick is 150 rupees. Then 2 hockey stick will be, obviously you will multiply. And the answer will be rupees 300. Okay. So this is how you will try to do exercise number 7, like 5, 6 and 7. In exercise number 7, if you face any problem, any difficulty, just leave that like question blank and like send it to me. I will like explain to you and I will give you the answer. Okay, but try to do 5 and 6 and 7 also in your book and send me for correction. Till like today only this much, and the next video I will send you some more exercises. Okay, take care and bye bye.